The cuisine of Bengal is a vibrant tapestry of aromas and flavors. Bengal's fertile land and intricate network of rivers provide a rich bounty of ingredients. Freshwater fish, succulent meats, and an abundance of vegetables form the heart of Bengali cooking. Yet, it is the masterful use of spices that elevates Bengali cuisine to an art form. From the warm embrace of cinnamon and cloves to the pungent notes of mustard and fenugreek, Bengali spices weave a magic that is both familiar and exotic. These spices are the heart and soul of Bengali cooking, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. In this exploration of Bengali cuisine, we will delve into the world of these magical spices, uncovering their origins, their uses, and their cultural significance. Number 1. A tapestry of influences. The history of Bengali cuisine is as rich and varied as its flavors. Ancient trade routes brought traders from Persia, Central Asia, and the Middle East to the shores of Bengal. With them, they carried not only exotic goods but also their culinary traditions. The influence of these cultures is evident in the use of spices like cumin, coriander, and turmeric, staples of Bengali cooking. The strategic location of Bengal, on the crossroads of ancient trade routes, has resulted in a cuisine that is a fascinating blend of indigenous flavors and foreign influences. Number 2. The soul of Bengali cooking. Spices are not just culinary ingredients in Bengal, they are woven into the cultural fabric of the region. From the auspicious turmeric used in religious ceremonies to the fragrant Ponchforon that perfumes countless kitchens, spices hold a special place in Bengali culture. The use of specific spices often denotes regional variations within Bengali cuisine. These spices are the keepers of ancient recipes, preserving the flavors of Bengal's rich culinary heritage. Number 3. The Allure of Ponchforon. In the heart of Bengali cuisine lies a spice blend so unique, so deeply ingrained in its culinary identity, that its aroma alone evokes images of bustling kitchens and aromatic feasts. This is the magic of Ponchforon, a blend of 5 whole spices that forms the cornerstone of countless Bengali dishes. The very name, Ponchforon, translates to 5 spices, reflecting its simple yet powerful composition. This quintessential Bengali spice blend typically comprises cumin seeds, fennel seeds, fenugreek seeds, nigella seeds, and black mustard seeds, each contributing its distinct aroma and flavor to the mix. Number 4. A Symphony of Seeds. Each seed in the Ponchforon blend plays a distinct role, contributing to the symphony of flavors that defines this spice mix. Cumin seeds, with their warm, earthy aroma, form the base of the blend, providing a grounding note that complements the other spices. Fennel seeds, with their subtle licorice flavor, add a touch of sweetness and a refreshing counterpoint to the other, more pungent spices. These seeds, when lightly fried in oil or ghee, release their flavors, infusing the cooking medium with their intoxicating aroma and marking the beginning of countless Bengali culinary masterpieces. Number 5. From humble origins to culinary heights. The use of Ponchforon in Bengali cuisine is a testament to the resourcefulness of Bengali cooks who, over generations, have perfected the art of extracting maximum flavor from simple ingredients. This spice blend, while modest in its composition, is incredibly versatile, finding its way into a wide range of dishes, from simple vegetable stir-fries to elaborate fish curries and lentil soups. The key to unlocking the full potential of Ponchforon lies in the technique of tempering. This technique, known as Foron in Bengali, forms the basis of countless Bengali dishes, imparting a depth of flavor that is unmatched. Number 6. Ponchforon in Bengali culture. The significance of Ponchforon in Bengali culture extends far beyond the realm of the culinary. In many Bengali households, the aroma of Ponchforon wafting from the kitchen is a comforting sign of home, a reminder of family meals and cherished traditions. The use of Ponchforon is not merely a matter of taste, but also a way of preserving culinary heritage, passed down through generations of Bengali families. The reverence for Ponchforon in Bengali culture underscores its importance as more than just a spice blend. It is a symbol of cultural identity, a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Bengal. Number 6. The golden embrace of turmeric. Beyond the aromatic allure of Ponchforon, there exists another spice that holds a place of honor in the Bengali kitchen: turmeric. This vibrant spice, with its warm, earthy aroma and distinctive golden hue, is woven into the very fabric of Bengali cuisine, lending its color and flavor to countless dishes. Revered for its medicinal properties for centuries, turmeric is deeply ingrained in Bengali culture and traditions, playing an integral role in religious ceremonies, traditional medicine, and everyday life. In the heart of Bengali kitchens, turmeric is more than just an ingredient. It is an essential element that adds depth and complexity to the culinary landscape. Number 7. Spice of many hues. The versatility of turmeric shines through in its various forms, each offering a unique dimension to Bengali cuisine. Fresh turmeric, with its vibrant orange flesh and slightly bitter peppery bite, is a prized ingredient often used to infuse a delicate aroma and subtle flavor into dishes. Dried turmeric, on the other hand, offers a more concentrated flavor and a deeper, more intense color. Ground turmeric, with its fine texture and immediate flavor release, is a pantry staple in Bengali households, used to add a touch of color and warmth to everything from lentil soups and vegetable stir-fries to rich meat curries. Number 8. From ancient rituals to everyday meals. Turmeric's journey through Bengali history is marked by its presence in both sacred rituals and everyday meals. In Bengali Hindu traditions, turmeric holds a revered status, symbolizing purity, prosperity, and auspiciousness. Beyond its religious significance, turmeric is deeply embedded in Bengali folk medicine, where it is used to treat a variety of ailments, from skin infections and digestive issues to coughs and colds. This seamless blend of culinary and medicinal uses highlights turmeric's multifaceted role in Bengali culture, where food and well-being are intricately intertwined. Number 9. Turmeric in the heart of Sorche Elish. The true testament to turmeric's significance in Bengali cuisine lies in its presence in iconic dishes like Sorche Elish, a culinary masterpiece that embodies the essence of Bengali flavors. This beloved dish, featuring the delicate hilsa fish coated in a rich, pungent mustard gravy, showcases turmeric's ability to harmonize and elevate other flavors. The turmeric in Sorche Elish not only imparts its characteristic warm, earthy flavor to the dish, but also acts as a natural tenderizer for the fish. Sorche Elish, with its harmonious blend of mustard's pungency, turmeric's warmth, and the delicate flavor of the hilsa fish, is a testament to the masterful use of spices in Bengali cuisine. Number 10. The aromatic embrace of green cardamom. While Ponchforon and turmeric paint a vibrant canvas of flavors in Bengali cuisine, it is the aromatic presence of green cardamom that adds a touch of regal elegance. This small, unassuming pod, with its delicate green shell and intensely aromatic seeds, holds a special place in the heart of Bengali cooking, lending its unique flavor profile to both sweet and savory dishes. Green cardamom, known for its sweet, slightly citrusy aroma with hints of mint and eucalyptus, possesses a flavor profile that is both complex and refreshing. Whether used whole, ground, or infused in hot milk or ghee, green cardamom imparts a distinct aroma and flavor that is instantly recognizable as quintessentially Bengali. Number 11. A spice of regal lineage. Green cardamom's journey through history is intertwined with tales of royalty, luxury, and exotic lands. Highly prized since antiquity, it was a spice reserved for the elite, gracing the tables of emperors and kings. In ancient India, green cardamom was used in Ayurveda, the traditional system of medicine, for its digestive and respiratory benefits. These medicinal uses, coupled with its exquisite flavor, made green cardamom a valuable commodity, traded extensively along the spice routes that connected India to the rest of the world. Today, green cardamom stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of this spice. Its journey from ancient spice routes to the heart of Bengali kitchens, a testament to its timeless appeal. Number 12. From sweet delights to savory creations. Green cardamom's versatility shines through in its ability to seamlessly transition between sweet and savory dishes, adding a touch of elegance to both. In the realm of Bengali sweets, green cardamom reigns supreme. It is an indispensable ingredient in countless milk-based desserts like payesh or rice pudding, and mishti doi, which is sweet yogurt. In savory dishes, green cardamom is used more judiciously, its subtle flavor employed to enhance rather than overpower. This technique is commonly used in biryani, where the cardamom pods, along with other whole spices, create a fragrant base for the rice and meat. Number 13, Cardamoms dance in Chingri Malay curry. Section 4, Cardamoms dance in Chingri Malay curry. Perhaps the most iconic example of green cardamom's role in savory Bengali cuisine is its presence in Chingri Malay curry, a dish that epitomizes the rich, creamy flavors of Bengali cooking. This luxurious curry, featuring succulent prawns simmered in a coconut milk-based gravy, showcases green cardamom's ability to elevate and harmonize other flavors. The green cardamom in Chingri Malay curry is used sparingly, yet its impact is undeniable. It is often added whole to the hot oil or ghee at the beginning of cooking, allowing its aroma to infuse the base of the curry. As the prawns simmer gently in the coconut milk gravy, the cardamom pods release their subtle sweetness and floral notes, creating a complex symphony of flavors that is both rich and refreshing. The delicate sweetness of the green cardamom, combined with the richness of the coconut milk, the subtle heat of green chilies, and the freshness of ginger and cilantro, creates a culinary masterpiece that is both comforting and elegant. Chingri Malay curry, with its harmonious blend of flavors and aromas, stands as a testament to the masterful use of green cardamom in Bengali cuisine. Number 13, recipes from a Bengali kitchen, recreating the magic recipes from a Bengali kitchen. The essence of Bengali cuisine lies in the artful execution of traditional recipes passed down through generations. These recipes are a culinary inheritance, each step infused with history, tradition, and love. Witness the transformation of spices within a complete dish. The following recipes showcase the symphony of flavors in Bengali cooking. Number 14, a symphony of mustard and hilsa. Sorche Elish, a Bengali classic, marries hilsa fish with mustard seeds. This dish showcases the region's masterful use of spices and flavors. The star is the hilsa fish, known for its delicate, slightly oily texture. Marinated with turmeric and salt, the fish absorbs the flavors. Ground mustard seeds, green chilies, and ginger form the heart of the gravy. Sautéed in mustard oil, the paste releases a pungent aroma. The hilsa fish simmers in the gravy, creating a culinary masterpiece. Number 15, a coconut-kissed embrace. Chingri Malay curry, a coconut-kissed embrace. This luxurious curry features plump prawns in a creamy coconut milk gravy. It balances sweet, savory, and spicy flavors, defining Bengali cuisine. The foundation lies in coconut milk and ground spices. Green cardamom adds sweet floral notes. Marinated prawns absorb the aromatic gravy, taking on a delicate pink hue. Number 14, the enduring significance of Bengali spices. Section 1, a legacy of flavor, the enduring significance of Bengali spices. As we have journeyed through the vibrant world of Bengali spices, exploring their origins, their unique flavor profiles, and their culinary roles, one thing becomes abundantly clear. These spices are much more than mere ingredients. They are the threads that weave together the rich tapestry of Bengali cuisine, adding depth, complexity, and a touch of magic to every dish they grace. From the humble Ponchforon, with its symphony of 5 seeds, to the golden embrace of turmeric and the regal elegance of green cardamom, each spice plays a vital role in shaping the culinary identity of Bengal. They are the keepers of ancient traditions, passed down through generations of Bengali families, their aromas and flavors evoking memories of bustling kitchens, shared meals, and cherished recipes. The enduring significance of these spices lies not just in their ability to tantalize the taste buds, but also in their deep-rooted connection to Bengali culture and identity. They are the embodiment of a culinary heritage that has been shaped by centuries of history, cultural exchange, and a deep respect for the art of balancing flavors. Number 16, spices as cultural ambassadors. Section 2, Beyond the Plate. Spices as cultural ambassadors. The story of Bengali spices extends far beyond the confines of the kitchen. These aromatic ambassadors have played a pivotal role in shaping the cultural landscape of Bengal, influencing everything from religious ceremonies and traditional medicine to social customs and artistic expressions. The vibrant hues of turmeric, for instance, are not merely aesthetically pleasing. They represent auspiciousness, prosperity, and good health, making turmeric an integral part of Bengali weddings, religious festivals, and even everyday life. The aroma of Ponchforon, wafting from countless Bengali kitchens, is more than just a sign of a delicious meal being prepared. It is a sensory reminder of home, family, and tradition. Green cardamom, with its regal lineage and association with luxury, has found its way into Bengali literature, poetry, and music. Its delicate aroma and flavor often used as metaphors for love, beauty, and the finer things in life. These spices, in their own unique ways, have transcended their culinary roles to become an integral part of the cultural fabric of Bengal. Number 17. Embracing the flavors of Bengal. Embracing the flavors of Bengal. A world of flavor awaits. Explore the intricate interplay of flavors. Let your senses guide you through Kolkata's marketplaces. Allow the aromas to transport you to the heart of Bengal. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.